I have their seatbelts, their leashes, their harnesses, poopy bags, and pet passport.
Milo, come here. Hi, Milo. Let's put this on, okay? Margo, you're next.
Can't see, but it's raining cats and dogs.
Okay, Milo doesn't listen. He is way too strong.
Called my dad for backup. It's okay. How are you? Margo.
Buen negocio ese siempre de estudiar para veterinario, ¿no?
Oh, yeah.
Finally, we're in. So we'll just have to step out.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. 63 pounds. Got so much fluff.
Yeah.
Vámonos.
Tienes que traerlos abrochados.
Yes. Let's go home.
Come on. Thank you so much. Bye. Whew. Going out with 2 dogs is no joke. Y'all, I was this close to taking Milo and Margo on my own. Would not have survived.